Holiday sales bring a rush of shoppers, but also a flood of abandoned carts. The good news? Most of those lost sales can be recovered. Carts are often abandoned because of high extra costs like shipping, complicated checkout, forced account creation, or simply a lack of trust. Fixing these pain points can make all the difference. Strategies include streamlining checkout, being upfront with pricing, displaying trust badges, sending cart reminder emails or SMS, and offering incentives like free shipping or discounts. Don't forget the tech tools that make recovery easier: retargeting ads, chatbots, analytics to pinpoint drop-offs, and exit intent pop-ups that capture buyers before they leave. Recovering abandoned carts isn't just about boosting sales. It builds trust, strengthens loyalty, and raises your overall conversion rates. Want to turn abandoned carts into completed checkouts this holiday season? Let's build your recovery strategy today.